Your Random Pal here, coming at you with some basic car maintenance 101. On today's episode, we've got a 99 Toyota Camry here. I'm going to be replacing the bulb in this third brake light here right behind the rear glass. Now this is a real easy job to do if you know how to access the bulb, and I'm going to show you how. Now this generation of Toyota Camry right behind me ran from 1997 to 2001, so most likely it's going to be the same procedure for any of those years. And in general, you got a third brake light right here behind the rear window. Should be very similar procedure even if you don't have a Toyota Camry. But as far as this year and most likely this whole generation, the part number of the bulb is BP921-N, and I bought this little 2-pack from Napa Auto Parts. So let's get right into it. So to access this third brake light, you're going to need your key because you're going to open up the trunk, and that's how we're going to gain access to the third brake light. You're going to go right up here under the rear package tray. All right, so going up under the rear package tray here, you're going to look for these two, they're like gray plastic tabs right here. And these tabs you're just going to push to the side here, push inward, like that. And now your third brake light will be released, the housing on the inside. So we just got to go inside the car to access it. Now we can just pull it free here. As you can see, it's connected right here. Go ahead and open up my new bulb. Pull that out. All right, we're ready to replace it. Now, to get this out, just twist this little piece right here. Real easy. Comes out. Now we got the housing out of the way. You can see it's black, it's ready to be replaced. Get a closer look up there. What I'm gonna do is it just yanks straight out. That's all it is. It pushes in, pushes out. You can compare the two. Obviously you can see this one is really bad shape. Let's put our new one in. Just push right in there. And now bring our housing over here. All right, just stick it up in there. Gotta find the slot. Let me see here. There we go. It's been sitting out in the sun. It's pretty hot. Even this plastic here, it's burned my hands. Now we can just press it in there. Should just kind of click in place. And there we go. Problem fixed. Now these brake lights, it's actually pretty easy to tell if they're out. I mean, one way you could tell is at nighttime, easily see by looking in your rear view mirror. You'll see the red light up right here. Well, your brake light's out. But these Camrys, they also have a warning light on the dash that lets you know that it's out too. So even if you just drive during the daytime, it'll let you know, hey, you need to replace your bulb. Anyway, I hope this all helped you out. If you enjoyed this video, learned something from it, give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next episode, don't worry, be random.
And if you never want to miss another random car video,
remember, ring that bell.